Think robots are just for factories and sci-fi movies? Think again. What if I told you the future of robotics isn't some far-off dream, but already here, quietly making your everyday life easier, safer, and even more fun? You'll be shocked to discover how many advanced machines you interact with daily without even realizing it. Imagine waking up, sipping your coffee, and even walking your dog, all with a subtle, futuristic assist you might never have noticed. This isn't tomorrow's fantasy. It's today's invisible revolution. You are watching NIS JKT Discovery. Today, we're talking about beyond factories, where do robots live now? And exploring your smart home and more, the hidden world of everyday robotics. But before we dive in, let's answer a simple question: what exactly is a robot, and how does it work? Think of a robot like a human body. Its sensors are like our eyes and ears. They collect information from the world, like distance, temperature, or sound. Its processor is like the brain. It takes that information, makes decisions, and figures out what to do next. And its motors and mechanical parts are like muscles. They carry out the action, whether it's moving, speaking, or even performing surgery. Some robots follow pre-programmed instructions, while others can learn and adapt using artificial intelligence. That's what makes modern robotics so powerful. They don't just move, they think and react. In simple words, robots are machines that can do tasks, sometimes automatically, sometimes with guidance, and often much faster, safer, or more precisely than humans. Part 1. The silent helpers in your home. Inside your home, robots are everywhere. Alexa, Google Home, they aren't just speakers. They're intelligent assistants that listen, learn, and respond. Robotic vacuums clean while you relax. Even your coffee maker or smart oven? Yep, they're automated robots disguised as appliances, saving you time every single day. Part 2. Robots on the go. Step outside, and robotics transforms your commute. Self-driving cars are already navigating our streets. Delivery robots and drones bring packages, groceries, even dinner, straight to your doorstep. Public transport is more automated than ever, making travel safer and more efficient. Part 3. Beyond the factory, the unexpected roles. And beyond factories, robots are stepping into surprising roles. In hospitals, robotic surgeons help doctors perform with extreme precision. In elder care, companion robots offer support and ease loneliness. On farms, agricultural robots plant, monitor, and harvest, boosting food production for billions. Part 4. The ethical quandaries and future frontiers. But here's the big question: with great technology comes great responsibility. Robots gather data, so what about your privacy? They're transforming industries, so how do we adapt to new jobs and skills? And just wait for what's coming. Soft robots that move like living creatures, and bio-inspired machines that could one day heal us from within. The truth is, robotics isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering us. From healing in surgery, to feeding our planet, to freeing us from boring chores, robots are here to improve life in ways we never imagined. Conclusion. So next time you hear the word robot, don't just picture a factory. Picture your home, your hospital, your city, your future. Because the robotics revolution isn't coming, it's already here. What robots have you noticed in your daily life? Tell us in the comments below. And if this video opened your eyes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NIS JKT Discovery, where the future of science and technology is just one click away. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your time.